looked at him unmoved. It seemed and whispered low.
Persistent youth, you have to prove quietly your love is true.
There's not a thing I would not do for you, beloved.
Said he.
Then go,
Said she.
to your mother dear, and bring her heart to me.
Without another word, youth left and went to his mother dear, and opened her breast and took her heart. Did not shed a tear. Then back to his maiden fair he ran, unmindful of the rain.
But his feet slipped, and he fell down, and loud go with pain.
Ah! Still in his hand he held the prize that would win his maiden's hand. And he thought of his mother dear, so kind, so sweet, so fond. And then he heard a voice, not from his lips, but all apart. Get up, it said. Were you hurt, child? It was his mother's heart. Ballad of a Mother's Heart.